Hello and welcome to a Millgate school tutorial on how to access the school website and all of the incredible resources that are on it. So to do this I'm going to be using Google Chrome, however you can use whatever internet browser you wish. If you're on Mac or Windows, it is up to you. So to start off, as you'll see, I've got Google Chrome here. I can also, by pressing the Windows key, search for it by typing it in. When I open up Chrome, you'll see it comes me to a blank screen. From here, I'm just going to type in Millgate School, and it'll take me to Google, where hopefully the school should be your top search result. I'm going to click on that, and here I am on the school website. So, to get to where all the e-learning stuff is, we need to go up here to the top right, where we have the menu option, and then we're going to go down to Students, click there, and then we want the Home Learning tab. So, from here, the first thing you get, if you're unsure on your emails, there is another helpful video on how to access your school emails. But if you want to find all the lovely work content, depending on if you're in primary or secondary, there are two ways we can go. For now, we're going to start with primary. So, I'm clicking on the primary tab. Here, you've got it broken down into your primary classes and all the classes. So if I was in the Hobnobs, I could click on Hobnobs and see if there's some content there. At the moment there is not. Let's see if there's another one. There we go. So we've got some content here from the party rings where we've got photos of all the lovely boys in the party rings. So if I go back, we've also got the subjects. Here we've got the awesome news round video that's gone on. Would watch if you've got the time. But then also all of the different topics the students have been learning, such as Kung Fu Phonics, lots of Kung Fu Phonics, and other bits and bobs. So all of the primary work is there. Also, back on the main primary page is the daily brief that will come out, which will contain all of the information about what is going on today for our boys. So if you click on that, it will take you through to the brief. Going a bit backwards now, just going to press the back button a few times. I'm now going to go over to secondary, which has a very similar layout. So here, the first thing is we have got our student brief. Again, just updating our boys on what they should hopefully be doing each day. Let's say I am in Year 9. If I click on Year 9 tab, again, all of my work will be broken down into subjects. So if I was to look at what I need to do for maths today, here we go. A lovely picture of Suraj's face and the work that he has set. Again, it most likely be the same for PE. There we go. And there's all the work therein. Also, if you want to look at some other stuff other than work, if we go back a bit more, we have things such as 50 things at home. If you want to do other things than work, here we can do some home baking with Andy, which would be a very good watch. Or if you want to relax, chill, it's a bit more in the evening, we've got our stop and read section, which has got students and staff reading books at home. This has been the overall thing on what you can find from the school website. Everything should be there, all in this home learning section. And if you want to be able to access this a bit quicker, if you go up to the top right on Google Chrome, you can actually bookmark the page and save it. So now when I load up Chrome, it will be there in one of my favorite tabs. And that is a tutorial. That's Zach signing out.